following video is a TRAK FHM7 heavy-duty bed mill. The machine is new 2014. We're going to run a brief video of demonstration for you today. First thing we'll do is we'll start with your axes. It's 150 feed rate is 150 inches per minute. The y-axis. Next is your X. Z-axis. This machine has hand wheels. X-axis. It's electronic hand wheels. Is your X-axis. Be your Y. The machine has a 6,000 RPM spindle. We're start out at 1,000 RPM on the spindle. We'll go to 2,500 RPM. It's 2,500. We'll go to 3,500. That's 4,500 RPM. Lastly, we'll show top speed of the spindle, which is 6,000. Actually, sorry, it's 5,000 RPM is top speed. It's currently at 5,000 RPM. Back down to 1,000 RPM. Again, the following video was a TRAK FHM7 CNC heavy-duty bed mill. This machine is new 2014.